Bet they give me a pound. Tell them put the money in my hand right now. Tell the promoter we need more.
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're back with another cooking video. I'm excited. People have been requesting for me to do a veggie meal, so I'm actually going to do a vegetarian meal today. So today I'm going to make some veggie pasta. I'm just going to call it veggie pasta, but this is my way. Obviously seasoned, has the nice ingredients, a little too spicy, you know. Alright, so these are the ingredients. Obviously we need oil. We've got tagliatelle pasta, salt for the pasta, I have this fajita mix, then we've got garlic, we've got chilli, mixed herbs, we've got nutmeg, tomato puree, we've got soft cheese, all purpose, you know, pumpkin seeds, some onions, we've got some spinach, we've got some sweet corn, we've got some grated cheese. I'm going to have it with a little salad, so we've got some salad here, the bistro salad with some balsamic dressing. Now we are going to be ready to cook. As you can see for the pasta, I already put the water there and the salt to do its thing and boil. So the first thing we're going to do is add some oil. I already put this on a medium to high heat so everything can, you know, do its thing and cook. So you're going to have to swivel it around a little bit, make sure the oil cooks the whole thing. The pan is starting to feel a bit hot. I'll suggest adding in the onions, spinach and sweet corn. I'm going to add a few of the pumpkin seeds. It depends on how much you want in it, but I just put like a few amount in there, like a handful, I'd say. Stir it with the oil and mix it up so it can get cooking. Alright, so while, as you can see, you heard that sizzle, I'm going to add in the seasoning. So we're going to add a bit of nutmeg, a bit of garlic, crushed chilies and mixed herbs and the fajita mix and the all-purpose. As you can see now, the water's boiling, so I recommend adding in the pasta now. So I'm going to put like 2 of these in there, because obviously there are quite a lot of them in there, so I'm going to add 2. I can see now the veg is roasting and doing its thing and cooking and frying, so I'm going to add a bit of the tomato puree in. Quick steps. So I'm going to add the cheese in, add the water to make it start making its beautiful sauce. As you can see now, I've formed into like a very creamy sauce. Last thing to do is just to add the cheddar cheese in. Cheese right here. Alright, this is the last step. So obviously, as you can see, I have drained the pasta. Pasta's drained, so the last thing to do is just add it in. I'm just going to stir the pasta in. As you can see, this is the final outcome of the meal once all put together. As you see, the pasta's looking like, of course, and I'll put the salad, obviously add the dressing with it as well. So now I'm going to get ready to eat this. But thank you guys for watching. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe and spread the word and do whatever you want. Thank you guys for watching and bye!